chilly hours and minutes of uncertainty. I wanna be in the warm hold of your loving minds, to feel you all around me and to take your hands along the sands. I may as well try and catch the wind. When sundown pales the sky, I wanna hide a while behind your smile, and everywhere I'd look, your eyes I'd find. For me to love you now would be the sweetest thing, 'twould make me sing, but I may as well try and catch the wind. When rain has hung the leaves with tears, I want you near to kill my fears, to help me leave all my blues behind. Standing in your heart is where I wanna be, I long to be, but I may as well try and catch the wind.
In my hometown, Lakeshore Drive, the road is calling. It'll take you up or down, from Rats on up to Riches. 15 minutes you can fly. Pretty blue lights along the way help you right on by, and the blue lights shining with a heavenly grace help you right on by. There ain't no road just like it anywhere I found. We're running south on Lakeshore Drive, getting into town, and just slipping on by on LSD, fighting that trouble bound. And it starts up north from Hollywood, water on the driving side. Concrete mountains rearing up, throwing shadows just about 5. Sometimes you can smell the green if your mind is feeling fine. There ain't no finer place to be than running Lakeshore Drive, and there's no peace of mind the place you see riding on Lakeshore Drive. Like it anywhere I found. We're running south on Lakeshore Drive, getting into town, just slipping on by on LSD, fighting that trouble bound. rounds. A 10-minute ride from the Gold Coast back makes you show your pleasure bound. And it's 4 o'clock in the morning and all the people have gone away. Just you and your mind at Lakeshore Drive, and tomorrow is another day. And the sun shines fine in the morning time, tomorrow is another day. And there ain't no road just like it anywhere I found. Running south on Lakeshore Drive, getting into town, and just snaking on my own LSD, finding that trouble bound.